I'm a math teacher out here in North Tulsa. A summer math program that's going to start next week. This money can help me fund to get more teachers in.
We come to help football players, not math teachers.
Oh, I play at the University of Tulsa.
I play at Tulsa. Well, don't come talk math talk football.
Football is math.
Jasmine got a residual income. Look at his belly. He can't play football no more. Look at something.
Now you got the wrong stance. Look at his stance. Look at his stance. It's bad route combination.
They let him teach PE sometimes. You looking for warriors.
Got him. That's football.